Good Monday evening to you. Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott here for the local forecast update. We want to start you off with the tropics. I know there's a lot to talk about, a lot of questions about what's happening down here in the Gulf of Mexico. We got a tropical depression. This could become a tropical storm about any point. In fact, once you watch this could already be a tropical storm in the Gulf. But at this point, as of 5 p.m. on Monday, it's tropical depression number 9. Winds sustained at 35 miles per hour, and it is moving west-northwest at around 5. Now, pressure's down to 1,007 millibars. As this system moves into the central Gulf, I do expect it to become a little better organized. Still pretty ragged right now. Here's one of our forecast models. This is the RPM, and we'll show you what it does. This is a high resolution, a pretty reliable computer model. It does move it off towards the west, then curves it north on Wednesday. And then notice the clock is going to Wednesday, and then on Thursday, bending back off towards the northeast. We're going to have a front moving in from the north, upper air trough that's going to kind of pick this storm up. Rather than move due north, it's going to kind of catch the trough and move northeast. I think that spares Alabama's Gulf Coast from any heavy rain or any wind issues with this. But the good thing with this, I think it stays fairly disorganized. It's going to be some wind shear of the Gulf, so I don't think this becomes a major hurricane, anything like that. We'll watch it carefully, though. Here's all of our forecast models. We put together these tropical forecasts. We got a lot of models we look at. Each one of these lines represents a different computer model, but you notice the consensus here is northward and then a curve to the northeast by Thursday somewhere in the Big Bend of Florida, likely east of Destin into the north of Tampa, somewhere in this area where most of our forecast models congeal here across the northern Florida. Then it moves back out over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. That'll be by Friday and on Saturday. The official track, this is official from the National Hurricane Center, does bend it off towards the northwest on Wednesday. Then Thursday coming into the Big Bend of Florida again. There's Panama City there. There's Tampa there. They've got winds at 65 miles per hour at 2 p.m. on Thursday. That's the landfall point right there in Florida. But again, your cone here, cone of uncertainty, stretches from Tampa all the way back to Panama City. So while that perfect center line could be off a bit, we're talking about somewhere in that general area where the landfall will occur. Again, I don't expect this to be an overly strong tropical system at landfall, but we will definitely keep an eye on it just in case anything were to change. We'll be on the north side of that, which means it'll be a little breezy out of the north, and it's going to feel pretty nice behind that. In fact, some dry air does move into the state. This afternoon, though, we've got this humid air mass kind of hanging over us. We've got a few isolated showers popping up on the radar. Most of you stay dry today and dry this evening. So temperatures topping out in the mid-90s for the most part. Jasper almost 100 today. Officially making it 99, Birmingham 94, Sylacauga at 96. Forecast for tomorrow, for Tuesday, includes a good dose of sunshine. We'll be up to 90 as early as lunch with the heat index approaching 100 by 3 p.m. The air temperature around 3 p.m. at about 94. Now, there's a small chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm tomorrow. The risk of any one spot getting rained on pretty low at about 10 or 20%. Tomorrow morning, mild, muggy start to the day during the daytime. There's those random thunderstorms pop up on a typical summer afternoon, and again we'll do it all over again for a Wednesday. The chance for a passing shower or thunderstorm again. A lot we've been watching out of the tropics. I do want to mention Hurricane Gaston out here in the central Atlantic. That's to the east of Bermuda. That's not going to be a problem at all. In fact, that storm will head out to sea and not impact the lower 48. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. We are looking at temperatures back in the mid-90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For the weekend, some dry continental air moves in behind the tropical system at the Gulf. We'll top out in the low 90s on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Some models have us in the 60s at night, Thursday night through the weekend. That'll feel pretty good at night. Right now, got a forecast low near 70 with the possibility of 60s being added to the forecast there. Daytime highs still quite hot, but the humidity will be a bit lower.